Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to find an EA account on Xbox. All right, so first up, or the first method, you can go ahead and use your Xbox account on web. Let's say you have your mobile device, computer, or even a console. Okay, if you have a browser on your console, go ahead and open it up. And once done, go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. All right, again, myaccount.ea.com. Hit on enter and just sign in with your EA account. And then once that's done, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Connected Accounts, and you will be able to see Xbox right here. Okay, so this is the first method. Now, the second method, okay, you'll have to listen closely because I don't have the console opened. If you are already on your console and have an EA game installed, okay, such as Apex Legends or other games, Battlefield, or any other EA Sports, okay, you can just basically look for your EA account information from the game menu. Okay, so in game, go ahead over to settings. Okay, listen closely. Settings, then options, and then find the online settings menu. And then in there, look for an EA account or connected account section, and you'll be able to see it. Now, the third option, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and log out right here. Again, sign out. I'm going to try to log in. Now, in this section, you go ahead and click on the 3 dots and find Xbox. Okay. Wait for it to load, or wait for the pop-up to load. And if it automatically detects your Xbox account, you'll be automatically logged in. If not, if there'll be a prompt that says log in with your Microsoft or Xbox account, just log in. Okay. As you can see here we now have our profile. Just click on account settings. And then once done, again, just go ahead over to connected accounts. And here we have it. All right. And that is how you find your EA account on Xbox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.